Channel switched.
Yeah, I'm on the back and race from this pattern the way we can. Oh shit, there's an airwall going on above us. Is that about between us or Federation and Legionnaires?
Between the Federation and the Legionnaires.
Definitely, but I can at least confirm that the Legionnaires have mercenaries on their payroll, and I mean, apart from us, obviously. But,
This is the helicopter. We're having an enemy aircraft trying to lock on our ass.
Try to get over land or get safely down. You are not going to be able to land very quickly.
Hello, what did I miss?
Just try to stay alive. That's all you need to do.
Legionnaires have engaged us. We try to evacuate, and
I'm a gunner. I'll patch it to Ace.
Sorry,
That's
because we also got hit by
clear if anybody's going on.
I died instantly.
Oh, Rev just got shut down. Fuck.
Like, no, that's good. It looked like fucking,
Hey, this is Steeler. No, this is Dave. Steeler. Interrogative.
The BX-22,
I hear you.
lined up with theirs.
If you have a moment to take a breather, I need you to triangulate Rev's GPS location. I'm near his crash site. I hope he checked it.
New insertion points available in your AO.
Let me be hopeful, okay?
I really hope it's a Federation F-16 coming out of the Valley.
Hey, Rascal, live down there. Transponder going.
I can't see it.
Fuck, alright. Oh boy. I'll be lining it for the exfil.
That's fine, so this is launch run at 15 now. Empty ships in the harbor.
Yeah, I just saw a plane get schwacked at north of my position. Is it not? It used to be. Well, you may have your wish, I think a plane's going to
If
spring.
you're at the Federation airfield, just get on board of the aircraft and start getting the hell out of here.
Hey, Demi. Somebody that pick up, buddy?
Or feeling bold, come keep Sean Bravo cleared for everyone else.
Hey, Demi. Are you gonna be needing a ride? Demi, dealer.
God bless you, Moxie. Holy shit.
A dealer went off station to deal with the evacuation. Or he's running. As a heads up though, the respawn deck is still operational and moving towards the extraction, so...
German
This is Blue Team Lead, we made it out.
What you hear, Blue Team Lead? Give me a head count on those who made it out.
Repeat last.
Give me a head count on those who made it out.
Archer, myself, Yap, and Sue.
That is one fucking good news, finally.
Is there any sign of Raz out there somewhere?
I don't think Raz made it.
Fuck!
Fuck, my Humvee was totaled.
As a heads up, I'm not sure the medical vehicle will be able to get here in one piece. We may have to fucking just go native till we get here.
You want us to try to evac you?
I mean, you can try, we haven't encountered any ground resistance yet, but I don't know how long that's gonna last.
Vape here, my Humvee was totaled because I was talking and I drove through the bush.
How much ammo do you have in your gun?
Enough.
Enough. Okay, I'm assuming that's
Terminator can be direct our forces.
Those of us who got on this late boss, what's the situation?
Hey, I'm on Ace. What's in there?
What's up? What's up?
I asked a favor.
What's the favor?
I'm gonna need the pickup over here, man.
So did we ever get an idea on those,
Enemy marks. Engage.
Enemy mercs are confirmed as Cascadian. I had to kill a couple of them. They aren't Cascadian. Oh my god, I don't know what they are.
as a heads up, I may have a possible idea on the ones that attacked us at the Federation Airport off on the Southern Island. Their detail was a greyish hex digital camo.
New vehicle on standby.
I don't know if that means anything. Yeah, how is holding the X still going? We're almost there.
Blackfish says it's the company model.
Officer,
Fuck, I was right, okay.
every down. I'm gonna
Carrier here. Oh god.
This is Moxie and the Blackfish down.
Why do I feel like we may be possibly looking at a second Cascadian Federation war?
Oh, this is a proxy.
Blackfish.
Blackfish is dropping off troops. Well, that
Blackfish.
sucks.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Fucking
Beautiful flash on Blackfish. I saw that from over here, Moxie, enemy F2 above you. Going southwest. Get it back.
Southwest?
Enemy F2 going southwest. There's also an F-15 above me. Going southeast.
I should really investigate the results. Guys, you've got paratroopers
on the radar.
Guys, you've got paratroopers here southeast. Over the 50s. Radar should be control R, I believe.
F-22. Oh, fuck.
Oh, we're here.
Yeah, we're here. Take
Yeah, I think that F-1 package open fire.
something in.
Just walk ahead,
Join up here real quick. Like back. I want to join a queue. There we go.
They're friendly. Shoot at me.
Hey, how's the air war going? You guys okay over there?
I'm still getting over there. Another one down. One click out.
We get 5 8. I think we got the inner work. Pushing this now. The bottom of the guns to drop off the other.
I see a blackfish. Are those hostile?
Indeed, those are hostile. Engage on site.
Sorry, that was a Xi'an, not a blackfish.
Xi'an is friendly. Xi'an is friendly.
Casuals make the ships use all their missiles.
Maybe he did. Watch that. I think it's pretty good.
God, this is so fucking cool.
You guys over there have no idea how fucking cool this is watching over here.
Hey, you need a pickup? You good?
Are you coming over here? If not, I'm just a click out.
I can make it happen.
With what?
MI-24.
Oh, wonderful. A little bit late, but late better than never.
Are we hopping in the Xi'an?
The Xi'an?
The fucking VTOL that just landed.
Oh shit. I would assume so, yeah. Unless we're defending it for more Federation guys to get. Is it just gonna be Hydra or?
Vape is further down the hill.
Oh, I'm being shot.
Which direction? I see it.
Where are you guys being transferred? I come back.
Jesus!
All
Just
elements.
the
You hear this? On any kind of vehicle, Federation or otherwise, we are getting out of here.
Okay.
What's our exit vector?
Unknown. Dealer?
You good, Zango?
This is Dealer. I'm on the left side out of the airfield. There should be a transport landing at Column Bravo now. Get to it.
Roger that. Zango, get in the transport.
Enemy active.
Yeah, I can provide cover when we can transport.
Well, we can pick one or the other. Hello?
I'll take my chance with the S-Stall.
North. Should be able to have enough fuel to rendezvous with another landing site.
Alright, the crew shut at the ports. Traffic on all the ports. Shut.
Zango's on his way.
two fucks waiting for? Get over here!
Do we not want to take...
We're all gonna board up on the
Violin, violin!
I guess we're not taking flying gear, or we destroy it?
No, leave the hind alone. It'll be fine.
Get in!
No.
Sir, yes, sir!
Oh my god, we're alive.
Is everybody aboard?
Is that everybody? Let's see. Yeah, it should be everyone. It better be everyone.
Well, there's like
yep,
10
that's it.
fetties.
Yeah, taking a bunch of fetties with this too. Alright, cool.
On fire!
Looks like you guys are the last ones out of here. Alright, works for us. Hey, they're welcome to use our helicopter if they need a ride, but I think the rest of them will leave it. I'm just gonna assume those two guys in the back are supposed to get in too.
What?
Join UAL.
What?
What just happened?
Don't worry about it.
AI being wonky.
Yeah.
Dude, you good?
So you can't get an outtake behind her, yeah? I don't mind. Oh, no, we get it.
There we go. Alright, now we're good. Don't mind those guys. They're a little special.
Okay, we're going.
I hate that button. I hate that button. I hate that button so much. Oh, the hell keeps auto vectoring on. Who the hell makes automatic control?
That's why I disabled the auto vector and I do it myself.
So steady, you want to tell us what the hell happened?
I wish I fucking knew. We're supposed to be helping out around here, then all of a sudden we hear word that the president got fucking shot at. Don't know if he's dead or not. Don't know nothing. All I know is Colonel said get the fuck out of here, so we get the fuck out of here.
I believe the president is dead.
Well, what my fucking out, just so you guys know the what.
You know what prevents more wars? The mercenaries went to must continue.
Where are you going?
Fuck out of here.
I believe he's pushing to the island of the...
No, he's on Woo! Yeah, bro.
Channel switch. User joined.